If you keep seeing the too many failed attempts message on Cash App, don't panic. I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back into your account quickly. This error usually pops up when you enter the wrong password or PIN too many times. Cash App locks you out for security reasons, but the good news is it's fixable. The first thing you should do is wait for the lockout timer to expire and try logging in again with the correct details. If you can't remember your PIN or password, reset it instead of guessing. Here's how. Open Cash App, tap your profile icon, go to Privacy and Security, select Change Cash PIN, and if you forgot it, tap Forgot Cash PIN. You'll get a code sent to your phone, then confirm the last four digits of your SSN and set a new PIN. If that doesn't work, try these quick fixes. Restart your phone, sign out from other devices, or try logging in through a web browser. Many users find this solves the issue immediately. Still locked out? Then it's time for a clean reset. Go to your phone's settings. Greater than apps, greater than manage apps. Find Cash App, clear cache and data, uninstall it, then reinstall it from your app store. Log in again, link your bank or card, and you should have a fresh start without the error. Finally, to avoid this happening again, enable fingerprint login in Cash App so you don't have to rely on typing your PIN every time. And that's it. Quick, simple steps to fix the too many failed attempts error and get back to sending and receiving money. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for more Cash App tips and guides.